Student, what are you doing?
Cannulation, Chief.
Cannulation? And what are those? What are those?
This is ERA in cannulation.
ERA?
Looking for a vein.
Why are you traumatizing our patients?
The vein was difficult.
Vein was difficult. Which vein?
Vein is I was looking for a suitable vein.
Be specific. Which vein?
Dorsal.
Dorsal? And what is the gauge of that cannula?
Gauge.
Yes.
This cannula is 27. No. 24.
24. You
Yes,
don't even know the gauge of the cannula, and you are cannulating.
Traumatized.
Leave the patient and run away. Leave. Run.